Alright, welcome to the new video here. So this is the 4 o'clock update. So 60% chance of flurries overnight here. And then tomorrow we got some periods of snow. And then late in the morning, 2 centimeters. Get a couple centimeters in, that'll be nice. And then beyond that, yeah, still got snow, periods of snow / snow from Tuesday night right till and all of Wednesday. Yeah. So everything is looking pretty good here. It's still fucking cloudy out. Well, it's cloudy outside right now. Temperature refuses. Oh, well, actually. I'm watching it steadily drop. It's already 0.3. Goal is to get this temperature down as low as possible by 6. So, what I'm hoping for is down to like -1, so minus 0.6 or colder. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Actually, we'll see. I might head outside in a little bit. Yeah. I don't know how well this is coming up on the camera. But essentially what it's saying here is it's melted all the snow we got from that last event, which was maybe about 2 centimeters. I recorded 1.1 3/4 is for safety. But essentially what it's saying here is we've melted basically nothing. Essentially nothing. You can tell it's getting crispy again. Which that in hindsight essentially means it's melted like nothing. Like we're gonna use, I mean, this is a bit sketchy. We're having some snow here, but oh my god, I'm not even at the bottom. Yeah, that's not the bottom. Okay, that's not even the bottom. Excuse me. Wait, see. I'm gonna do this off camera. 9.5. So, it all depends on location. But overall, it's really essentially just melted. The snow we got from that little bit we got from Christmas / Boxing Day, and a bit more, maybe half a centimeter. And that's it. Like, I mean, I don't really have much to say about that. I'm just surprised that's all it's melted. But if that's the case, then, which it seems like it is, because I got 10 centimeters there, and then another, and then I got 9.5, which is pretty conclusive. That's probably about 9.5, 10 centimeters on the ground. We essentially stood at about 4 inches in most areas. Yeah. Or just under so. But I'm dead ass surprised. Phew, if we get some snow tonight, there we go. We had more. We had it right back. Alright. I was not expecting that, but oh, sure, I was gonna be like, oh, fucking bullshit, cocksucking. I thought I was just gonna swear my ass off, but it's actually at a solid snow base still. It's just falling off everything because the temperatures are above freezing, not necessarily melting profusively. It's not melting profusively, but it's just knocking everything that's hanging off of vegetation down. That's about it. And then just melting slowly rather than profusively. I love the focus. It does well at night, but it just sucks at focusing. But yeah, that's a good sign. So tonight we'll get maybe 1 to 3 centimeters of snow, maybe locally higher if we can get higher rates. Yeah, I'll see you guys probably later on tonight. Alright, so here's the radar. temps are a respectable -1 right now. They were cooling down, but it warmed up slightly, but they'll probably end up cooling back down later on tonight. It's gonna be kind of the story. And then there's gonna be like an upper front that'll sweep all this snow back down southeast later on today, and later on in the AM hours. So, yeah. Although obviously as you can tell, it's not really the most impressive snowfall rates. So, yeah. It's not expected to be anything impressive anyway, so. Yeah, so I'll leave you guys with that, and see you guys in the morning. Yep. Alright, here's crappy forecast. You may be seeing why it's crappy. It's looking good. Well, I'll show you just in a bit, but let's get through it here. So today, 6% chance of flurries early this afternoon. Then dry tonight and Tuesday, and then Tuesday night we got snow beginning. Then all of Wednesday we got snow. Yep, nice, whatever. Thursday sunny and 1 degree. Well, if it's gonna be sunny, it's gonna be 6 degrees. Thursday night, periods of snow, changing to snow Friday. Another good bout to snow there. We'll just hold it here for another 5 seconds. And this is where I start fucking hating it. Friday night, 6% chance of flurries. And Saturday, 6% chance of flurries or rain showers. And then Saturday night, 60% chance of showers. Sunday, 4 degrees to 30% chance of showers. Yeah. This is where I go fucking hating this fucking season. Oh, it doesn't stop there. You want to see how the Weather Network's saying it? It's more of a kick in the face. I should say ass. Alright, so. You can see here constant precip, yeah, but look at how the fucking temperature trends go. All fucking above freezing from a technically 31st all the way till fucking beyond the 5th. Crappy totals for both the rain and snow. It's like the most disgusting fucking thing ever. But, yeah. Snow the 30th. I guess I would say decent showers for the 2nd, January 2nd. Other than that, hold it here for another 5 seconds. And then there, this is. This is why I say it's a kick in the fucking ass. Above freezing but constant snow. Go fucking figure. Well, as daytime highs. Sorry. Constantly above freezing daytime highs. It's either 1 to 3 centimeters or close to a centimeter of snow. Yeah. Whoopie ding. And these guys' asses, the Weather Network's ass is saying, oh, it's going to become more constantly frigid and snowy. Well, constantly more frigid and snowy. It's the 2nd half of January. Oh, God. I'm fucking ready betting when I can get jack shit this winter. I'm just looking at it, it's becoming a fucking joke. Yeah, we'll fucking see. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys outside in just a bit. Well, before I head out here, it's 1.4 and steadily rising. You know it is fucking cloudy. Yeah. I'm just saying, this weather fucking sucks at this point. It was better when it was cold, not fucking some fall-like. I was gonna say spring, summer-like, no. Fall-like. I'll see you guys later on. Alright, so I'm out here. As you can tell, we're gonna do a quick madhouse thing, because it did snow. It did snow, so I should have done one, but I obviously didn't get out here in time, clearly. You can actually still see the snow from... I just put down 1/2 centimeter based off the looks of how much snow is actually on the ground. May have been more, may have been less, I can't physically tell. I can't bloody tell, but I mean... Yeah. It's me. Here's the thing with it comes into the regarding next several days. I don't mind the fact we're gonna get snow, obviously. It's just how fucking consistent is it gonna be? Is it gonna be that broken up shit, or is it actually gonna be like Tuesday night to Wednesday night snow? Or if it's gonna be like, oh, snow beginning before morning, and then Wednesday it says snow ending in the morning. And then periods of snow beginning here, and then ending in the evening for the nighttime. It's like that fucking complicated bullshit. That's what I'm saying. The difference. I don't fucking like it. I'm not liking our chances. Yeah. But obviously last time we checked, snowfall was at a acceptable amount. It was still at about 9 centimeters. Well, no, 9 to 10 centimeters. I say 9 to 10 because I recorded 9.5, so safe to say it could be about that. But yeah, like I said, I just put down 1/2 centimeter for today's event, just based off of what I'm seeing here. Doesn't look like it was that much. But yeah. I hate our weather so much. One day it could be, one week it could be the best weather in fucking Canada in terms of winter, in winter terms, and then the next it could be fucking the worst. This is one of the worst. Oh my god! What the fuck is this? I've never seen a forecast like this before, I swear to God, in fucking years. Oh my god. They are predicting snow, from periods of snow from Tuesday night till fucking Friday. What the fuck? If that's continuous, that's at least 65 hours worth of snow. I swear to Lord. What the fuck? La Nina may not be having its typical cold temperatures, but its storm track is fucking insane. Oh my god. I am speechless right now. This is insane. That has to be at least 15-20 centimeters worth of snow there. We got 5 centimeters tomorrow night, And if let's say the rest of these are 5. Let's just, hypothetically, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, that's 30 centimeters of snow, hypothetically, if every day is 5 centimeters. At least, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Hypothetically, if there's at least 5 centimeters of snow recorded, forecasted for every day, that's at least 30 centimeters of snow possible. What the fuck? That's a foot of snow possible. Oh my god. If this can manage to pan out the way I'm saying it, which is unlikely, but unreal. I have never seen anything like this forecasted before. I will leave you guys with that. I'm going to wait for these temperatures to get to below freezing. They're not yet. They're still 0.7. I'll see you guys maybe later on tonight. Well, probably later on tonight. Oh my god. Alright, that's actually pretty good. We're just under 9.5 centimeters now. If we would compare it to yesterday, I mean, as you can tell, it's been not touched. There's no lumps, it's nothing. It's 9.5. We're still at around, now I can actually officially say we're at about 9.5 centimeters of snow. Snow depth. And obviously it's not been tampered with, as you can tell. Ground's pretty flat except for some spots, but that's obvious. It's not going to be But yeah, we're still at a reasonable snow depth heading into our next round of snow. Heading into our next snowfall here. That's pretty good. But yeah, like I said, if you look at it from here, you can tell it's a little bit crooked, but I mean that's because the ruler's a little bit off. But yeah, 9.5 centimeters and still steady. Really slowly melting, but not crazily. But yeah, considering that in the back, that bin said 9.5, and that said just below 9.5. I guess you could say that's about 9.5 centimeters. About, I didn't say it is, but yeah. I think a bit of the snow from last night saved us. Well, this morning. Oh, I don't know how much fell. But I just went with 0.5 centimeter for safety reasons. But I don't know actually how much fell. But one thing I'm realizing here is actually we're not under valley cloud right now. Well, no, I didn't just realize, but we're not under valley cloud. Oh, jeez. We're actually under just low-level cloud cover. It's not valley cloud, so it's not something I can say that'll be easy to get removed. So, but yeah, we're just at a respectable snowfall amounts, and yeah, I will leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. See how things look then with the forecast. Alrighty, so here's the 11 o'clock forecast here. Yeah. So it's actually not looking too bad. I wouldn't say it's absolute garbage, but I wouldn't say it's the best. So we started off with tonight with snow beginning late this evening. We get 5 centimeters. Tomorrow, we get Wednesday snow 5 to 10 centimeters. Watch for that snowfall warning potentially being issued. Keep an eye on that, see what happens. Then Wednesday night to Thursday, 40% chance of flurries. Thursday night, periods of snow. Then Friday, periods of snow or rain. Then Friday night, a 70% chance of flurries. And then Saturday, flurries or rain showers change into periods of rain or snow Saturday night. So basically snow on the cards, but not ultimately. It's not as bad as how it has been. And then scroll down very slightly here. Sunday, 60% chance of showers, changing to a 60% chance of showers or flurries. And then Monday, a 40% chance of showers or flurries. Yeah. But yeah, after this week, it turns to garbage. Well, After this weekend, it turns to garbage. Once weekend hits, it turns to garbage. Yeah. The weather network here, this is all that's good from it. Well, this is all that's showable from it. As you can see, pretty crappy. Get some snow maybe for the 30th and 31st. And then mainly, well, completely rain for the first 3 days of the new year. And then 4th to the 6th, maybe some flurry potential. That's about it. Yeah. Pretty garbage. And then there's actually one more thing I gotta show here. Let's keep this on it for a little bit longer. For the first time in fucking forever, it's 11:30 and we're still below freezing. Let's go, boys. It's -6. It got down to -6 in the morning as well. It's cloudy right now. Conveniently, when it was below freezing, it was clear, mainly. And then when I went to bed, I was like, well, let's hope it gets cloudy. And would you know, it gets cloudy. Love it. I just love it. Sometimes weather's not bad, but yeah. I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys later on today. Yeah. Oh my god. It goes back to insane here. We gotta actually screw up here. We got a snowfall warning, boys. Snowfall warning. Snowfall warning for tonight and tomorrow here. We got snow at times heavy beginning late this evening, 5 centimeters, with that continuing to tomorrow. Snow at times heavy ending in the afternoon. Then cloudy with a 6% chance of flurries, 5 to 10 centimeters there as well. And as you would, well, count there, 10 to 15 centimeters of snow is possible. And, oh, it's not done there yet. Wednesday night, periods of snow beginning late in the evening, another 2 centimeters there. And then that goes right through Thursday. That goes right through Thursday there. Continues into Friday with periods of snow or rain instead. Just go hold it here for a bit longer here, to the minute mark. And then Friday here. Friday night, 70% chance of flurries, and then Saturday, all Saturday, flurries of rain showers, periods of rain or snow. I already showed that, nothing else has changed. We're going to be probably one of the least affected areas by the cold, which I'm very grateful for. So, yeah, still on the warmer side, but obviously not overly. But yeah. Oh, yeah. And then we got the radar here. Snow is already developing. It's not too much yet, but it'll obviously pick up over time, as you can see. Yeah, it's not too much yet. It's still in the developing stages. Like I said, it only develops late this evening, but I'm thinking it's gonna be a lot earlier. But we'll see. One way or another, probably like 5 to 10 tonight. It's probably gonna be like more like 10 to 20 centimeters of snow, if it's gonna be at times heavy. And then to finish her off here. Back her up. Snowfall warning. Come on, load. There you guys go. Snowfall warning. 10 to 15 centimeters. Periods of heavy snow to central and north Okanagan regions late this evening and on Wednesday. Total snow accumulations of 10 to 15 centimeters could be expected before the snow tapers off to a few flurries Wednesday afternoon. I'm liking this. I am liking this quite a bit. A lot, actually. Yeah. I will leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys later on tonight. And the snow is beginning to develop here. I don't know why it's not loading. It's 10 o'clock. I mean, it's supposed to be, the new radar update's supposed to be loaded by now. But anyways, probably be loaded in right now. Anyways, let this load in here again. So snow is setting up now. It's not much yet, but it'll significantly pick up later tonight. It's just the start. It's just the start. It's actually supposed to start later this evening anyways. It's 10 o'clock now, and after this one here, just let it one more time here. It's actually supposed to start up at 11, so yeah. I'll see you guys later on tonight. Yeah. About 1 centimeter, maybe. Yeah. Oh, it's really wet stuff. Oh no, that's why. It's a leaf. Oh, crap, I lost my fucking shoe. Ugh. Stuck on the bottom of my shoe. Lovely. Whatever, I'll take it off when I head in. But yeah, I am not too sure what I'm going to be measuring in the morning. So, this is going to be interesting. My only place I can really think I can do, well, I'll have to get back to you guys in the morning with that. We'll get back to you guys in a little bit, because I gotta do the radar anyways before I head to bed, so. But yeah, about 1 centimeter of snow right now, and steadily climbing. Things are gonna pick up later on. I'll show you guys the radar. But yeah, I will see you guys with the radar in just a little bit before I go to bed. Alright, here's the radar. It's not the most impressive. It was looking good right there, but then now it's kind of brisking to our north here, it looks like. But we got a shit ton more snow to go. We got all day. Really. So we'll see how things go. Doesn't really. What I've noticed is snowfall rates tend to be a little underestimated when it comes to these smaller flakes. So yeah, taking that into account. But yeah. I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Yep. Here's the morning forecast. This is where we just shit the bed, don't we? So, we still got the snow at times heavy ending this afternoon, 10 centimeters. Well, then quality was 6% chance of flurries, 10 centimeters. And then tonight, now we got a 6% chance of flurries this evening with periods of snow beginning late in the evening, 2 to 4 centimeters. Periods of snow then ending Thursday in the morning, and being like quality. Thursday night is 70% chance of snow. Jeez. And this is where there's nothing wrong with today and tomorrow. It's not what I'm worried about. It's beyond it. Friday is where we start. Yeah. Friday we got a 60% chance of flurries of rain showers, and then Friday night rain showers of flurries. Saturday we got periods of rain. Saturday night a 40% chance of showers. Sunday a 70% chance of showers, and then Sunday night through till Tuesday 6% chance of showers or flurries, or vice versa. Yeah. Sorry. But yeah. I have to stall here for a bit because I want to show you guys there's no point in stalling for too long. Let me just in a few seconds. So the radar is looking. Doesn't look like it's gonna last much longer, maybe unless there's stuff behind it, which has been the case quite often. But I mean, obviously still, it only can go, it can only go so much further, you know. So yeah. And then to finish her off, we got the weather network here. And as you would expect with this forecast, it's not going to be much better either. This is as much as I'll show. It's not really much else beyond it. They'll just, that's about it else beyond it. So the rest of it beyond it. But yeah, as you can tell, the weather network's obviously not much more impressive. Not much better, sorry. Yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys outside in just a bit. Well, this is, people, why you don't walk on snow. Don't walk on this snow after like a wet snowfall. I swear to God, I've never, this season's just been of just horrible snowfalls to shovel. And not even because the fact that the snow is heavy, it's just the fact that if you step on it, it's like scraping off fucking gum off your shoe. It's fucking possible. But anyways, Jesus. We're checking how much snow we got for the morning. Looks pretty good already. Oh wow, it just stuck right in. 6 centimeters. Not too bad. Final confirmation. Yeah. Well, based off of everything else, we're gonna have to settle with 5.5 on this one, Chief. It's just, yeah. It's just, as you can see with these measurements here, even if I were just to lift this up and adjust it, it's clearly 5.5. So 5.5 centimeters, not too shabby, pretty crap for the moment. But oh, I'll put my ruler away here now. Go around the house, and then I'll have to go quickly grab my camera and do that, and then go around one, and then we'll finish it off with one last time around. Alright. So, oh my God, I'm stepping on the snow. It's gonna make it so much harder to shovel. I can't. So yeah, I have 5.5 centimeters of snow. It's not too bad, especially considering tonight was supposed to be about 5. So it was about on the mark. If everything else goes right, though, we should technically get well more than enough later on today. We'll redevelop later on today, if not already should be. and we'll get enough. We'll get up. We're supposed to get 10 centimeters. I think we got about half a centimeter. It's just 5 a.m., so it's about probably like quarter before 7, 8 right now. Yeah. I think it's a safe bet. At least. I think a safe bet can be said that it's probably about 5 centimeters today. So far, 5 centimeters. It's blinking on my camera. Shouldn't be. Yeah. Bunch of that fluffy stuff too. It's not. None of it wet or dry stuff. It's just fluffy. Yeah. But yeah. Density. Yeah, that's the word, density. I think, or whatever. One way or another. A typical type of snow. But yeah. The hope is the snow does regenerate. I believe it will. It's in a rough patch for the moment. But yeah. So the recycle bins I'll go to for today. If it ever does get blown off, it is fine. But that'll just mean we have to add up totals. We just have to add from 5.5 centimeters up. Quite something. And not even because the fact that it's not going to be consistent precip or systems. It's just the temperatures are going to fucking suck. It could come at any worse time too, right before school's going to be starting here, which is on the 4th. Today's the 30th. So. Yeah. But beyond that, I think we'll probably get another 5 centimeters before it tapers off this afternoon. But I think 10 centimeters is out of the question already. 5 to 10 seems more appropriate. They had it down. They had it down packed actually correctly. Actually, now that I think about it, they almost banged on tonight or last night. Now I think they're just pushing it for today. But yeah. So just over 2 inches of snow. Not too bad. We can work with that. I know it doesn't seem like much, but it looks like it's trying to pick up again. Might be another round redeveloping. This meal was absolutely done at. Finished up shoveling or scraping. But anyways, let's just hoping and praying today stays reasonably cold. It's -2, right? It's essentially -2 It's minus 1.8, minus 1.9, juggling between that when I was inside, so yeah. But I'm gonna go grab my camera now, get some photos, and I'll be back with you guys. Yeah. See you guys after that. Alright. Yeah. Head around now, finish her off, go inside for a bit, and then head back out later on. I gotta shovel the snow anyways. So not too shabby. Still a solid amount. But here's my thing, even if it's nice, even if we get like 20 centimeters by the end of this whole entire fucking thing, over the course of today and tomorrow, it doesn't matter really. Two constant 2-3 degree temperatures, constantly above freezing temperatures afterwards, this is gonna melt the snow like this. This is gonna melt it in an instant. Well, not an instant, but you get what I mean. Over the course of that amount of time, easily it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be easily like 90% gone by the end of this. We don't get freezing temps, depending on how long we go without those freezing temps. Alright, I'm out. Snow has since absolutely stopped. Temperatures are still at a steady -2, -1.8, -1.9. That type of steady -2. But yeah, looking at how things are, I don't think the next shot is going to be here until at least this afternoon. But yeah. But once this afternoon comes around, it'll get more consistent by then. But yeah, we'll see how much we get today, because technically speaking, if we can get at least 8 centimeters today, I'll constitute as a success. Even if the snowfall warning's gone. Okay, thankfully. Just trying to see. Yeah, I still got the nice top of it right here. But yeah. So yeah. But as long as it stays cloudy all day, I don't see any concerns about coal pain melting today. If anything, I think it'll be steady around -1. -2 seems. I mean, I can say it'll probably get down a little bit, but up a little bit, but not anything drastic as long as the cloud cover stays heavy as it is now. Nothing spectacular, pretty average snowfall. It's just a matter of how long we'll stick around now. I mean, it's a good start, but how much longer will it stick around? That's the thing. So far, oh yeah, I forgot to change that. So far, we're not. So actually, no, this snowfall actually puts us at roughly above average, just above average for this time of year between the October-December period. I think normally it is 47.2 centimeters, 47 centimeters, roughly around there. So, and this would put us up to about 40. Like, I think this would put us just slightly above 47, just near 48. The only thing is, though, the only reason why we're this fucking high is because we've gotten 1, 2, 3 big snowfall events, and then a bunch of like medium-sized ones, and a couple of medium-sized ones in between, including this one. More than 65% of today's snowfall has been 65% of the snowfall between October and December has been from 1 to 3 snowfall events. No, more than half. Yeah. One way or another, more than half. So it's not really the matter of how many snow days. Well, actually, we've had a good amount of snow days. It's just many of them haven't really accumulated much to anything. Realistically, though, a snow day counts as anything above a trace, really. Look at the cedars here. Jesus. We'll be going into school with a decent snowpack, hopefully. It's looking like I said, it's looking like up until things will be fine. Things will be fine. But then once we get beyond that, it's gonna be hell. It's gonna be a fight to keep this snow. But with how much snow we have, I have good hope. Very good hope. Well, not very good hope, I have hope. We'll see how things go through the day. So far, I bet it won't be until this afternoon when we'll get snow going again. And trip bar has been pretty consistent that it won't be until like at least at some point this afternoon before the snow kicks back up again. Whenever that'll be. But the most constant idea has been is between 2 to 4 o'clock. It'll get going again. And this will count as a new snowfall. A new snowfall. So technically speaking, this will count as a second round because it's completely stopped, as you can tell. So yeah. So whatever new snow we get today is going to count as a second round, not the first round. Not in total. So this will be it. If it were regen, like within the hour, I would have counted as a. Within the next 3 hours, I'll count it as a part of this first round, but it's not going to. It ended at like 8 and so 11 o'clock. It's not going to be developed by then, 100%. They'll end the snowfall warning at some point, probably by 11 o'clock. Let's be realistic here. It's not going to be. Well, I mean, in total today, probably about 10 centimeters, but in one round, nah, there's no. Well, 100% no. Alright, so here's the 11 o'clock forecast here. So, still 40% chance of flurries early this afternoon. Well, now we got 40% chance of flurries early this afternoon. And like I thought they were going to do, periods of light snow beginning this afternoon. I called it. Temperature steady near -1. And then tonight, periods of snow, 2 to 4 centimeters. With tomorrow clearing in the morning. Hopefully not. Please to God, no. But yeah, beyond that, everything else is the same. 70% chance of snow Thursday night, so on and so forth. Everything else is the same. Yeah. There's not much else to say for it there. Radar right now. Snow is beginning to develop right here, as you can see. Yeah, nice little small, I guess you can almost see band of snow coming in here, developing. Quick development, actually, if you watch. I think it develops like in like 20 minutes, like dead ass, like right here. 12, 10, 20. Literally in about half an hour. Hello. Well, that down there in like 10 minutes. Hello. All right. So that's the deal. I'll see you guys later on in the day once it starts snowing. I'll show you guys a temperature before I do head out, whenever that'll be though.